Hi guys, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome paper airplane. Now, to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of just letter size paper. If you do not have just letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work too. Now, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then unfold the paper. Next step, let's start from this edge. Fold it to the other edge. And then press down the paper. On the following step, let's unfold the paper. Now, start from the upper edge, fold it to the center crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. Now, let's unfold the paper and then turn the paper this way. On the following step, I will match both sides of the paper together. And then now, I can fold this upper part of the paper to a side. Let me adjust the paper first, and then I fold it to the other side. Next step, I repeat the same fold. I fold this part of the paper to the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. And now I fold it to the other side. Looks so fine, right? And then fold this part of the paper up and then press it down. Here we go. So this is what we have. Now, let me flatten the paper. On the following step, let me turn the paper back like this to make sure that you guys will see it clearly. Now, I start from this edge. I fold this to the center crease. And same thing for the other side. Alright, so this is what we have. Make sure that both sides are even. So I adjust the other side a little bit. Now both sides looks perfect. Next step, let's do this. I start from this tip of the paper, I fold straight to this line. And now you can see this part of the paper, you can see this crease. I fold this side of the paper up. Very simple. And then I adjust the paper. Alright, and then I turn the paper over. Here we go. On the following step, let me fold the paper in half. Alright, and now I can adjust this side of the paper by fold it toward the center crease. Like this. You can see this edge. I'll use this edge as a reference to fold this part of the wings. And then I can fold this side out, back. Here we go. And then I flip the paper over. I repeat the same fold. First, I match this side toward the other edge, and then measure the edge here match with the upper edge, or you can use the other side of the paper as a preference. And then now I can fold this side of the paper out. Here we go. So I can fold it up just a little bit more, just a little bit more, so does it look fine. Here we go. So this looks perfectly fine. And look at this. This is a straight line. Now I can match this edge to the center crease, or the other edge to create the wings. Nice, looks so nice. When I finish one side of the paper, I turn the paper over and I repeat the same fold. And here we go. This is a new paper airplane. This is just a design for the look. And it should fly okay inside the house. Don't expect it will fly far outdoor, alright? So let me adjust it. Oh, it needs to be under this part of the paper, otherwise it won't fly. Okay, so let's fold this down and then adjust this, adjust the wings. Okay, let's unfold the paper and then now I can flatten down the wings. Adjust it up a bit more. Because there's a lot of drag on this part of the paper, you may need to have elevators at the ends of the wings. So I just put it up a bit. And you can test it out yourself. If it doesn't fly up, just curve the end of the wings up like I'm doing now. Just curve it up. Alright, and fold this part down. And here you go. This is just a fun paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Okay guys, so this paper airplane is not designed to fly outdoor, but I will show you guys how to fly outdoor anyways. To throw this paper airplane, you need to hold it at the center of the plane and do not throw it hard, just throw it light, and this will glide for a distance. You can see that. So if you throw it very hard, it won't fly at all. So let me pick it up and throw it again. Hold the paper like this and then just throw it lightly.